Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. The loft-style kitchen embodies the essence of urban living, exuding an industrial and contemporary charm that is both edgy and inviting. Inspired by the converted loft spaces of old warehouses and factories, this design concept embraces open layouts, raw materials, and a fusion of functionality and aesthetics. One of the defining features of a loft-style kitchen is its open and spacious layout. The absence of walls and partitions creates a seamless flow between the kitchen, dining area, and living space, fostering a sense of unity and connection. This open-plan design encourages social interaction and makes the kitchen the heart of the home, where family and friends can gather and share moments together. The use of raw and industrial materials is central to the loft-style kitchen. Exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and exposed ductwork add character and authenticity, reminiscent of the industrial origins of loft spaces. Metal elements, such as stainless steel appliances, pendant lights, and bar stools, further reinforce the industrial aesthetic, while also providing durability and functionality. The color palette in a loft-style kitchen often revolves around neutral tones, including grays, blacks, and whites. These hues create a canvas for other elements, allowing the raw materials and pops of color to take center stage. Industrial-style kitchens may also incorporate bold accent colors, such as deep reds, blues, or greens, to add visual interest and contrast. Open shelving is a prominent feature in loft-style kitchens, replacing traditional upper cabinets. Floating shelves made from reclaimed wood or metal brackets serve as both practical storage and a showcase for displaying stylish dishware, cookware, and decorative items. The open shelving enhances the sense of openness and adds a touch of effortless chic to the kitchen. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and ambience in a loft-style kitchen. Industrial-inspired pendant lights with exposed bulbs or metal shades serve as striking focal points, suspended over the kitchen island or dining table. Track lighting or industrial-style chandeliers can illuminate the entire space, while floor and table lamps contribute to a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Functional and efficient storage solutions are essential in a loft-style kitchen. Kitchen islands with built-in storage, rolling carts, and pantry cabinets keep the space organized and clutter-free. Utilizing the vertical space with tall cabinets or shelves maximizes storage potential without sacrificing the open feel of the kitchen. To soften the industrial elements and add warmth to the kitchen, consider incorporating natural elements like wood. Wooden countertops, bar stools with wooden seats, or a reclaimed wood dining table can introduce a rustic and inviting touch, balancing the rawness of the industrial materials. Lastly, infuse the kitchen with personal touches and decorative elements to make it feel like a welcoming inn. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!